Hello everyone, I'm Pradeep and welcome back to the channel. The monsoon is here, and if you've ever struggled to see through your windshield while driving in heavy rain, especially at night, this video is for you. Today, I'll be comparing two popular rain repellent products that promise to make driving in wet weather safer. TurtleWax Clear Vue Rain Repellent and a previous champion, RainX Glass Water Repellent. Can a previous champion hold on to this title? Well, let's find out. Both products create a hydrophobic coating on the glass, causing rainwater to bead up and roll away instead of sticking to the windshield. To keep things fair, I'll be applying TurtleWax Clear Vue on my left side of the windshield and RainX on my right side, followed by a real-world side-by-side comparison. Just a quick disclaimer, this windshield was treated with RainX sometime during last year's monsoon. Most of that coating is already worn off, but I thought it was worth mentioning. So, let's get started. First, clean the glass thoroughly with water and wipe it completely dry. I've used masking tape to divide the windshield into two equal sections. The application process is identical for both products. Dampen a clean dry cloth with product and apply it on the glass using overlapping circular motions to ensure even coverage. If you notice any missed spots, simply apply another coat. Leave it to dry for a minute. As it dries, the glass will develop a slight haze, although it may be difficult for you to see because of the reflection of the roof panels. To finish off, spray a little water onto the glass and buff it clean with a fresh cloth until the windshield becomes crystal clear. Now, let's repeat the exact same process on the other half using RainX. Now comes the part we've all been waiting for. Let's see which one comes out on top. Both products performed exactly as advertised and made a noticeable difference in wet conditions. However, when viewed side by side, RainX repelled water just a little better than the TurtleWax Clear Vue. The difference isn't huge, and honestly, you probably wouldn't notice it unless they were compared directly side by side like this. Personally, I have been using RainX since 2004 and it has never disappointed me. That said, TurtleWax Clear Vue is much easier to find in supermarkets and automotive accessory stores in most cities, making it a very convenient alternative. These products are also available on online platforms like Amazon. Whichever one you choose, you really can't go wrong. One thing to keep in mind though, if you're buying RainX, make sure it's the exact glass water repellent featured in this video. RainX sells several similar looking products including spray cleaners and other glass treatments, but they don't perform quite the same as this one. Also remember that these products are designed only for glass surfaces. They're perfect for windshield, side windows, rear windshield and mirrors. Avoid using them on plastic surfaces, and if any product accidentally gets on painted panels, simply wipe it off with water immediately. If you're interested in either of these products, you'll find the links in the description below. So that's my comparison of the TurtleWax Clear Vue Rain Repellent and RainX Glass Water Repellent. I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you tried either of these products? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, as I'm not as active on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Pradeep signing off. Take care, drive safe, and God bless.